Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a whole house spring clean in my sister's house. I've now done her closet and her garage, so if you haven't checked those out, make sure you do, and make sure you subscribe if you aren't already. And let's get ready for today's whole house spring clean. Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video. I'm guessing you needed some cleaning motivation and I am here to give it to you. I'm going to be cleaning up my sister's living room, dining room, kitchen, as well as a couple bedroom upstairs today. And I love to start off with dusting. I just feel like it's the best place to start because if you need to climb on the couch, that's totally fine because we're going to vacuum it later. But just giving every area a good dusting and getting rid of anything that's not supposed to be in the room, putting it where it's supposed to go, and then moving on to the vacuuming and the little details later. So my favorite cleaner that I normally use is actually Thieves from Young Living, but I broke it in the driveway before I came inside. It's totally fine. And then I love using Norwex cleaning cloths, especially their polishing cloth because it makes everything sparkle. So if you guys know a Norwex representative, I highly suggest finding one and getting their polishing cloth. It's worth every penny. stove with this Scrub Daddy clay smiley face thingy-mabob. My sister had it and she said it worked amazing, so I decided to give it a try, and it works really, really well. So I'm using it on her stovetop as well as you'll see later in her kitchen sink. I'll link it down below if I can find it, but it just made the stove sparkle. Whenever I'm doing my kitchen cleans, I love to wipe down all the appliances and get all those little yucky fingerprints off of them, whether they're mine or my kids or my nephews. But I also do the microwave and the dishwasher and the garbage can. You just don't see it in this video, but making sure those are all nice and clean. And then we're gonna give this floor a nice mopping, and I had no idea how to extend the mop. So excuse me while I use a mop made for a child until my sister comes and saves me. If you watched my last spring cleaning video, you might remember me saying that I like to break my spring cleanings up into 2 days. So normally I'll spend 1 day downstairs and 1 day upstairs if I have 2 levels, or if you have 1 level, just breaking it off into several different rooms. That way I don't get overwhelmed and I can keep the motivation going. But because this is for my sister and she is pregnant with a toddler, I thought I'd go 1 step extra and just go ahead and tidy up her son's bedroom, give it a light dusting and a little bit of cleaning, as well as you'll see I do her bedroom as well, just to make her areas feel refreshed. Closet's still looking good for those wondering. She's done well. That is going to be it for today's spring cleaning video. I hope it gave you some motivation to go scrub some windows, vacuum some couches, and get some laundry done. Thank you guys as always for watching. I love having you here, and if you're new, please subscribe. We would love to welcome you to this community. Thank you guys. Have a good day.